Hi guys, today I'm back with a quick UV resin craft. Now these are beautiful kitty cat charms. Now I reckon they're small enough to do earrings, but today I'm going to make a pendant for my daughter. So I'm just going to take one of them, and I have just put them on some UV resin tape. So I've just stuck it down on there ready to fill up this with some UV resin and some glitter. Now the glitter I have added is called Sagittarius. I use it all the time. It's from Glitter Overload. It is a blue and purple mix. It's really pretty. So all I'm going to do is try and carefully, without making too much of a mess, fill up these molds. Okay. Right, I'm just going to grab my UV lamp and I'm just going to give it 1 minute this side, and I'm going to flip it over and keep the tape on and do another minute on that side. Okay, so that's just had a minute each side. So all you have to do is carefully peel off that very sticky. And there you have it. Isn't that super cute? Super quick and easy. Look at that. So I will attach a chain and it'll be ready to wear. Now, like I said, you could do two. Have two for earrings and just put some hoops. That'd look really nice as well. Well, totally give these charms a go, guys. They are super quick and easy to do. Well, thanks for watching, and catch me next time for some more resin craft. Bye, guys.